In today's video, I'll show you how to download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC or Mac. To get started, head to the description box below this video and click the link provided. This will take you directly to Adobe's official InDesign page, ensuring you're downloading the software from a trusted source. Once you're on the page, click the Start Free Trial button. You'll then be prompted to choose a plan. Adobe offers several options, and for this tutorial, we'll select the Business Plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial of Adobe InDesign. After making your selections, click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and provide some basic personal and payment details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you as long as you cancel before the 14-day trial period ends. Once your details are entered, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then be asked to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After your account is set up, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it on your computer, then log in using the email and password you just created. Inside the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps tab, search for InDesign, and click Install. The download will start automatically, and once it's complete, Adobe InDesign will be ready to use. And that's it! You now have Adobe InDesign installed and ready to go. Thanks for watching.